welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrid, so today we will unbox and review this Lego City 60251 monster truck. So guys, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button below your screen to get more video updates from my channel. Let's get back to this video. So guys, let's unbox! I have the instructions. We got this bag and another bag. So I'm gonna just put this box beside me. Now let's open. These tires are so big. Okay, I got it out. Let's put the plastic in the box. Same thing as for the other bag. Okay. Now I got all the pieces here. Okay guys, materials ready, instructions ready. Are you ready guys to build? Yeah! Let's build! more videos like this, please visit my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles, and please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, to get more video updates. If you want more videos like this, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get more video updates. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!